Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix file is open in another program error Windows 11, 10. Open msconfig in Windows search bar, click System Configuration. Simply delete file. Open msconfig in Windows search bar, click System Configuration. Uncheck Safe Boot. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.